Hello everyone, my name is Todd and I want to welcome to my cooking channel, Fat Boy Cooking. So today we are cooking red beans and rice. So let's get over and start prepping. So what we're going to need is a pound of red beans, two 14-ounce packages of your sausage that you prefer. I use an andouille sausage, one small to medium-sized onion, a couple of cups of diced bell peppers, a can of refried beans, a can of rotel, i.e. tomatoes and chilies. You'll find that I refer to rotel regardless of whether it's name brand or not. Cajun seasoning, Tabasco sauce, and liquid smoke. So I soak my beans overnight. And so let's put everything in that we need. So we're going to add our onions and bell peppers. Going to add our sausage in. Then 1 tablespoon of your favorite Cajun seasoning. And you can adjust this through the cooking process. You may need to add more. Then I add about half a tablespoon of liquid smoke. And then a tablespoon of Tabasco. And this you can also adjust as to how spicy you want it. And then the last item will be our rotel, or diced tomatoes and chilies. And we're going to set the beans to the side. And we're going to give this a good stir. And then we will load it up in the crock pot and put it on high and watch it every few hours till the beans are tender. And at that point we will add in the refried beans to thicken it up. So once we get to that point, we'll be right back. So the red beans have been going for about 4 hours and something, 4.5, 5 hours. So now what we need to do is see if the beans are cooked. And so as we can see, the beans are cooked and tender and they smash easily. So at this point, we will take and add our can of refried beans. Mix that in. Need to break it up. And once you get that broken up, as you can see, it's already starting to thicken up with the beans in there. And I use the refried beans that have jalapenos in them to give them a little bit spicier bite. You just need to make sure all the big chunks are mixed up. And you'll find a few pieces here and there. Just continue digging around and get those done. And there, we've got that all mixed up. So at this point we can turn off the crock pot and start our rice. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cooking a pot of rice, and once that's done, we will plate everything up. So everything is complete and ready to go. Added me some rice with my beans. So now, just time to sit down and eat. Just so you know, I want to thank everybody for the support and for viewing my channel. I will be uploading new videos every Tuesday around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And remember, if you have any questions or comments, leave them below the video. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. And also the webpage should be up and running here within the next few weeks. And once again, thanks for watching.